Hi friends, today we will make this lovely Lumina bracelet. It's a great project for beginners, but still looks stunning at the same time. It can also be nicely combined with the other bracelets from my basic wire series. You'll find a link for the other tutorials below, and now let's get into it. For this project I'm using 20 gauge copper wire, 18 gauge copper wire for the clasp and 4 mm glass beads. You will need one strand about 70 centimeters and one strand around 35 centimeters of the 20 gauge copper wire. Start by folding the longest strand in half and make a loop in the middle. I twist it around itself a few times. Then we coil the second strand that we have around the twisted part and that's our start point to bring the first bead in. We will insert it to the middle wire and bend it slightly upwards. Then bend the upper wire downwards around the bead. Afterwards, we bend the lower wire upwards that it's parallel to the wire with the bead. Then it's time to insert another bead. In this pattern, it's always added to the wire in the middle. So let's repeat the whole process and bend the upper wire downwards over the middle wire with the bead. Then we bend the lower wire upwards over the wire in the middle. That's the whole technique. Repeat it until the pattern reaches the desired length. In between, wiggle the bracelet into a straight row. Otherwise, it will slightly bend and the pattern loosens if you straighten it just at the end. I have reached the desired length now, so let's finish the pattern. Bend the upper wire down and twist it with the lower wire until you have around 4 cm twist. Then we form a loop with the twisted section and secure it with the remaining wire. Cut the ends with a flash cutter. Let's switch to the other side of the bracelet and spiral up the residual wire. Afterwards, I hammer the spiral flat on my small anvil and bend it over the coils where we started the bracelet. I really love this tiny little spiral detail. Now let's move to the final step, making the clasp. I usually start it with the tiny loop, which I squeeze together. Then I form the hook with another loop at the end to attach it to the bracelet. I like to hammer the looped areas flat to give the clasp additional stability. Then we only need to attach the clasp to our bracelet and voila, this is the final result. Please let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer them. If you liked this video, please give me your thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support and see you next time on Akoni Tune. Have a nice day. Bye.